back to my YouTube channel. Please ignore the noise, okay? So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I miss you guys so much. Please, if today is your first day of passing by my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like, comment, and please guys help me share my video. Please, if you don't share my video, how will I grow? Please, I beg you in the name of God, help me share my video. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's talk. Today we are going to be talking about second chance. So me personally, I don't believe in second chance. No, I don't. Because one thing I believe in life is like a movie. Anybody that come your way, they have their parts. You know, everybody that have come across your path, it was a purpose. Yes, even before you were born, God have already designed that. Know that. No doubt. In relationship, in friendship, let me tell you something, my lovers. Stop opening your door for wrong people. Stop it. If you love yourself, you value yourself, you know your worth, you will stop opening your door for wrong people. Let me tell you, something happened for a reason. You are dating a boy and you guys broke up. You broke up for a reason. You are dating a girl. You both broke up. You broke up for a reason. It's not second chance. It's not for everybody. It favors some. It's 50-50. Some people benefit for second chance. It favors them. It's their luck. Some people don't benefit from it. You will give someone first chance, heartbreak, boom. Second chance, boom. Third chance, boom. Fourth chance, boom. Are you serious? Are you okay? Are you okay? Do you love yourself? And to crown it all, some of this lady, your boyfriend will leave you to go and marry another girl. Some of you, your boyfriend will leave you to go and engage another girl. Some of you will say, "Not by engagement." No, sister, no be by engagement. Some of you, the man will finally marry the girl. Una go see the sleep with her. Hi, Jesus. Hi, they do now. Do you love yourself? Do you value yourself? Who are you? You don't go. Have you ever stand in the mirror? Ask yourself, who am I? What is my purpose in life? My dear, you deserve more than that. A man that always see you, see more than that. Nothing. He see you as a sex toy. A man that can leave you to go and marry another woman like you. A man that leave you to go and marry another woman like you. And you will still go back and open your leg wide for him. My sister, what are you doing to yourself? What are you doing? Second chance. You will give it second chance. And some of you may do same thing. A woman that leaves you to go and marry another man. At the end of the day, the woman will sneak back to come and be sleeping with you, and you will be enjoying it. Are you okay? Say goes to friends. A friend that come into your life to hurt you, you will give them chance, they don't deserve you. Let them go. it's not everybody that deserves second chance in your life. Some of all those friends, you will give them second chance. They will use you. At the end of the day, when you say, I'm done, they will start spreading fake rumors about you. Left and right. They will be saying all sort of trash about you. But at the end of the day, sister, if you are in that position, don't care. All you need is your happiness. Please, that man will not leave his wife to come and marry you. That is stupidity. You broke up for a reason. Let it go. Life is like a movie. His part. He's already done with his part. Let it go. People come to your life. Some people come to your life. No, like, I don't know. You know, just like some relationship. You will give this boy first chance. Heartbroke, boom. Second chance, heartbroke, boom. Third chance, heartbroke, boom. Like, sometimes I wonder, do you really love yourself? Do you love yourself? Because if you love yourself, you will not man or woman who you know deep down in your heart, she or he don't give an F about you. You know. That is why some of these men will marry you out of pity, or some of these ladies will always marry you out of pity. You know, the worst thing you can do to yourself is someone marry you out of pity. When someone marry you because they just want to pity you, is the worst nightmare ever. Let me tell you, when some people, maybe in friendship or in relationship, not because they come back to your life, or maybe your ex-boyfriend, they want to come back into your life. They say, give me second chance. Most of them, is not because they love you. Let me tell you, let's be sincere. Comment down below. You know, let's talk in the comment section. You know, not because they love you. Some come back because what they, you know, I don't know, you are always there, or there is something you always do for them. They always benefit something from you, not because they love. It's really the kind. It have really changed to the kind of person you want him to be. Take your time to see if it's really coming for you or it's coming for something. There must be something that is she or him is missing. Check. You know, sometimes this something is always in our eyes, but we refuse to see it. But if you open your eyes, you will see that it's coming. She or he is coming for something, not for you. Open your eyes very, very well. You will see. Don't invest your time. Don't put your heart into it. Take your time. Check very well. If this guy really coming for me, or is she or he missing something? Is it because of the money I always give him? Is it because of the food I always cook for him? Or is it because of the punana? Or is it coming from me, my heart? Ask yourself that question before you give someone second chance. Take your time. If you take your time, you open your eyes, you will see the one this guy or this woman is really coming for. Either is it coming for the money you always give him, or it's coming for the food you cook for him, or it's coming for your punana. Maybe you always give him good show. You understand? Maybe it's coming for that, or it's coming for you. Take your time. If you take your time, I promise you, my sister, you will know. You will know. Send God to the man. Take your time. If she's coming for the money, take your time. If she's really coming for the things that you do for her, or she's coming for you. Take your time. Send God to those friends that always want to come to take, or to want to use you. Use you. When they want to, they call you in the middle of night, you will run. They call you in the afternoon, you will run. Anywhere you will run, you will be running like a mad person for them. Take your time. If that what they really miss is you or is what you do for them. Take your time. Study them. It will not take you no time. You will see it. But most of you refuse to be patient. Refuse to investigate. If you refuse to open your eyes, to watch, to look, you will just jump. I'm sorry. Apologies is already accepted. Don't do that. You can forgive them, but keep them far away from you. It's okay. Forgiveness is a must, because you are not just doing it. You are not doing it for them. You are doing it for yourself also. It's not because they deserve your forgiveness. It's because you deserve to be happy. Yes. Because you deserve. You can tell my brother, my sister, I forgive you, but we cannot be friends. I forgive you. I cannot be your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Like very, very good friend. But it's not because we are friends that we give you my chance. No, we are friends. I forgive you. We can be friends, but we cannot be lovers. No. Know that. Know your word, because I know my words. Know your words. Stop opening your door for wrong people. It's not okay. Please. It's not love. Don't think maybe the guy always, he will always come, he always do it 10 times a day. No. Don't get it twisted. No. Even in friendship, some friends, they will come into your life, they will cause you pain, and then after maybe you separated, they will always come back, forgive me now, sorry now. Not because they love you, my sister, my brothers. Because of what they benefit for you. They will always come back for that thing. They are not coming back for you. That is why they will always come back and do the same thing over and over again. Because they know your wicked point, because they know when they come back to say, sorry nah, I'm sorry. You will always open your door. Stop opening your door for wrong people. Stop it. Life is too short for you to bury yourself in pain, all because of what? Because of relationship. Where do you see it in the Bible? Being single is a sin. Give yourself time. Even if me personally, I don't believe in second chance. Sorry, I don't believe in second chance. Yes, I don't believe in it. Second chance, I don't believe in second chance at all. Because it's not everybody that come back begging you, really wants you back. Some just want you back because of what they benefit from you, or maybe the sex is good. Yes. Maybe your punana is sweet. They will come back for that. So get it into your score. Please. We are in 2020. Open your eyes. I'm not talking about only the lady, even both boys and girls. Open your eyes. Stop opening your door for wrong people. Wrong people will always come to your life. They will come back, hurt you. For what? For what? Why will you allow such thing? If I give you my time, because my time is precious. Yes, it's precious. Because I value myself. I value myself to the fullest. That is why I don't believe in second chance, because I don't play with myself. If I give you my time, my precious time, and you messed up, bye-bye. It's a bygone. Bye. Stop opening your door for wrong people. They will come back, hurt you, say, hey, I love him. I love she. I really love her. I love she. No, it's not love. They don't love you. You love them, yes. But the question is that when you say you love someone, ask yourself, are they feeling the same way? The way you are feeling, you love them. Yes, it's okay to love. But if someone that you have given your love to, they don't respond back off. Stop burying yourself in pain all the name of second chance. It's not nice. It's not okay. Before you give someone second chance, take your time. Observe the person. Take your time. If maybe for him or her, yes, because I'm talking to both men and women. Even though you want to give she or him second chance, take your time. Observe them, because if you are smart enough, you will always know if they are really coming back for you, or they are coming back for that thing. They want something from you. That is why they are coming back. If you shine your eye, you will know. You will know they are coming back for something, not for you. If you open your eye, you will see them. It's very easy. Take your time. Just say, okay, no problem. All they care about is what they need. What they need, their selfish interests. Stop giving wrong men second chance. They don't deserve you. Stop it, my love. Stop it. Give yourself a chance. Did you see it anywhere in the Bible where they say if you are single for 1 year, 2 years is a sin? No. Stop it. It's not okay. If the man was bold enough to leave you to go and engage another woman, the man was bold enough to leave you to go and marry another. Be bold enough to tell you to go. Don't open your door for him. Don't open your door for her. Please. When people show you their real color, open your door and let them go. Let them go. No matter anything, any rumors that will spread about you, it will fade away. It will fade. Life is too precious. Me, I value myself. I value my time. I love myself. If I give, because my time is precious, if I give you my time, I open my door for you for the first time, and you messed up. Bye. There is no second chance in my dictionary. You are not coming back. Bye. You are not to even talk of. You go engage another woman, or you come marry. You want come back. Can't do waiting. How? Who does that? Do you understand? Please, ladies. Please, my lover, stop it. Stop burying yourself in pain. All the name of second chance. That man will take you to a hotel. He will sleep with you. At the end of the day, we still go back to his wife. And you say you give him a second chance. For what? Second chance for what? This man is not going to leave his wife. He will come to you to say, that one is another day's topic. Let me just leave it. Please, stop it. Stop doing that. It's not okay. Anybody that is telling you is okay is lying to you. She or he is lying. Stop giving wrong people your time, your pressure. You people broke up for a reason, for Christ's sake. That friendship fall out for a reason. Let them go. Any person that always come to take from you, take, they don't contribute, they don't care about how you feel, let them go. Friendship, relationship is not by force. Stop opening your door for wrong people. It's not nice. Value yourself. Love yourself. If you love yourself, I dare you from today, love yourself. Value yourself. There are some take. You will not take it from man or woman. No, you will not. If you love yourself, you spend time to look at yourself in the mirror and say, wow, did I really work like this? Yes, know your worth. Know your worth as a man. Know your worth as a woman. Know your worth. Don't let anybody take you for granted. Don't let anybody take your love for granted. Don't let anybody take your friendship for granted. Say no to that. Second chance is not for everybody. It may favor this. It may not favor this. That is like me personally. I don't believe in second chance because I don't have time. I don't have time. I'm an impatient person. I don't have time to waste. I don't waste my time for things that will cost me pain. No. Think about it. The time you were dating this boy, was it good enough? Ask yourself, out of 100%, like how many percent happiness were you benefiting from him? How many? You use them. And if you catch them, you will know, okay. Don't just say because they say, hey, you know I really love you. You know, they will always say, all those people, they will say whatever they want just to get you back. Please, open your eyes. It's very, very important. Stop opening your door for wrong people. Happiness is I don't know. Happiness is free. Create your own happiness. Stop opening your door for wrong people. People who don't value you. People who don't care about you. People who don't love you. They don't care. All they want is what they want to benefit from you. They will always call you if they need something. They will always pick your call if they want something from you. Stop it. Cut them off. Cut them off. Bye. Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you for teaching me. Thank you for making me cry. Bye. It's not everybody that deserves your second chance. Not everyone that deserves your second chance. Not everyone that deserves your second chance. Be your friend, your boyfriend, even your husband. Not everybody. You people broke up for a reason, for crying out loud. Yes, you broke up for a reason. Let it go. If it's not worth it, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. If it's not worth it, you broke up for a reason. Yes. Everything in life, everything happens for a reason. If it's not worth it, bye. Life goes on. Good people will always come around. If you stuck yourself in that bad relationship because of he come back to come and beg me now. They beg now. What thing I go do? You will be there crying day and night. How will you see good man that will make you smile? How many years are you going to live in this earth? You will use almost all your life to cry. At the end of the day, you give him 10 chance. He will not still marry you. At the end of the day, you will give her 100 chance. She will still leave you. And she will not end up marrying you. Same with friends. Some friends will come just after they are done with you. They will dump you and they will start spreading bad news about you. After all you have done for them. They will be going about saying all sort of rubbish about you. Spreading fake news about you. When people show you their real color, let them go. Let them go. Everybody have a gift in life. Gift or seeing it before happening. But most of us are just ignorant. We refuse to see the things that God is showing us. You don't need to go and meet God in heaven before He will talk to you. There are something in your eyes. You refuse to see it because I don't know how to put it. If it's I don't know. There is just something you see it, but you refuse. I don't know. They are there, but you can't see. They are there. Most of all those friends, they show you their color. You refuse to see it. We are just there because we love them now, but did they really love us back? No. Most of all those boys, even before they broke up with you, they start showing you some color. They are in your face, but you refuse to see it. Same with the girls. Please stop giving second chance to the wrong people. Stop opening your door to the wrong people. It's not everybody that deserves second chance in your life. Me, I don't believe in second chance. I don't know about you. It's not everyone that deserves second chance in your life. Just know this, please. I just say, let me just talk about this a little bit. I'm not going to take much of your time today. So if you have any contribution, just comment down below. The comment section is for communication. If whatever I'm saying, either you agree with me or you don't agree with me, you can always say it in the comment section. It's free. Me, I'm just hearing my opinion. You can always say yours. Comment down below. Let people read it. Let people know. What do you think about second chance? Is it okay to give second chance? Is it good or is it bad? Both friendship or relationship, both. Just write. What do you think? Is it good? Is it bad? What have you experienced it? Me, I've experienced it. I don't believe in second chance. I don't believe in second chance at all. At all. I don't believe in second chance. Because it's not everybody that come back to your life. It's not everyone, anybody that I don't know that come back. They are not, I don't know how to put it. It's not everyone that come back to your life really wants you. No, please stop it. So that is all I have to say. So if you have anything to say, please comment down below. Thank you all very much for your love, for your kindness. Please, before you leave, kindly comment this video. Give a thumbs up to this video. Share, please. Please, guys, help me to share my video. You know what make I grow? My people. You know good though. Me not they share my video, na beg. Na beg, let me take. Me not pity for me. Me not pity for me. This thing we go do it together. We want like maybe we could go far place. Maybe people they learn at there. Men at the end they share my video. If you not watch, if you not like the video, men not share. Make you not comment down below. Please. Thank you all very much. May God bless you. Please. Till we meet next time. Bye.